Guys, I just had a crazy trading day with me and the team. I recorded the whole thing. I'm going to show you guys the whole setup that we took, why we took it. I'll give you guys like the recording, and it was a nasty trade, a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. Got the most sniper entry ever, and it was just insane. But hey, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, shoot me a follow on Instagram. There should be a link in my description, or it should pop up on the screen somewhere. Definitely shoot me a follow though, guys. So right now I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Gotta make sure I'm fed. Just got done with the gym, and I'm gonna tell you guys like my morning routine in a second, but I'm gonna show you guys the whip skis. Get ready to see the bends, guys. All right, guys, got the AMG. Look at the ambient lighting in here, guys. Oh, this was paid for by Forex, by the way, guys. Forex did it.
Never had no patience, waited for nobody. I feel like the mayor when I'm in the party. Bruce Wayne, Luke Cage, kicking like the rock. I can take your bitch and bend it like the lies. 1 to the 2, 3 to the 4. Run to the money when I swing my dough. Got 2 fine bitches in the backseat of the Banshee with the Gucci, little 10 piece. Everybody wanna talk that shit, coulda, woulda. I'm a young go getter, gotta get it by the second every minute.
By the way, guys, this was a trade that we took today. Oh, look at that entry right there, guys. So flawless. Just got done with breakfast. Now we're gonna go home, and I'm gonna break down the trade that we took, the recording, everything, and why we took this trade. Hope you guys enjoy it. Also, if you guys want to trade live with me every single day, make sure you click the link in the description where you can join my live trading sessions for only $100 a month. Previously, it hit the zone as well, and then pushed up. Didn't have enough, I think, momentum to continue because there was no session in here. It was the end of the London session. So now we're in the New York session. I'm hoping it'll hit it, reject it, and slowly but surely push away. If not, I want to see a really quick reaction off this zone right here. And news-wise for the week, let's scope this out. NFP was last week, so that's good. So we have nothing today. Tomorrow CPI, so we'll maybe look at the markets after. Wednesday we don't trade. Thursday we're pretty much good, and then Friday we're pretty much good too. So that's what I want to see, a very quick reaction, a quick move away from the zone. That's how I know that I'm on the right side of the market. And all I wanted to do is take out this level right here. Because like I said earlier, guys, if we're truly in that uptrend, then our analysis is on point. We just got a really optimal OTE, optimal trade entry, and that's what we want. We want very optimal trade entries. But our previous daily candle is a spinning top, so it's signifying that price wants to continue to go up. We just need to take out the wick of Friday's high. So once we take out this wick right here, look where our mouse is when I move it away. Right there. That's what we need to take out. Look at it fucking go. Let's go, baby. And then this is what we're going to do as well. This is some real gangster stuff. We're going to get the fibs from our entry down here to our take profit. Let me make these all black. So if price comes up here, we'll take off partials and then we'll trail stops for our entry and then we'll let the rest ride till TP. So if it comes in here, down here again, I'll get another position locked in as well. And look at the risk reward ratio, basically at 3-1, which is immaculate. I want to see speed at this point. I really, really want to see it push away. Because if this is a valid zone, then it should really push away and not go back to that zone. It should show us a willingness to push up. So what I'm kind of seeing right here is with like these candles, how they formed, it kind of like it pushed down at first. And a lot of retail beginner traders, they don't understand like the concepts on how the market moves and very important things that I'm going to teach you guys over this next year. So what they're doing is they're shorting because the previous candle was bearish. So they're like short, 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 sell it. So get ready to take off half of your position here, guys. Taking off partials is going to be your best friend. So once we hit this level, we'll take off 50% of our position. And then we'll trail stops for our entry. I don't know about to our entry, but we'll get close to it. So if you want to take off 50% of your position, cool. If you want to take off 25, 75, it's really up to you. But partials are really going to be important to be able to take off. There we go. Price hit it perfectly. There you go. That's where you're going to take off 50% of your profit, lock it in. Price doing exactly what we want today, guys. Beautiful morning. If you guys go to your MT4 chart, you'll see the freaking craziest entry point. Look what I'm about to put in the chat. Look at that fucking entry, guys. Everyone's chart should look like that, like straight sniper entries. I want you guys to think of yourself when it comes to trading as you're not a machine gunner where you're just busting off a lot of rounds. You want to be a sniper where you're just waiting for that perfect shot. You want that headshot and that boom, that one shot. That's like our position. So what I'd like to see is like price really start to push up over the next couple of candles and go to this next level right here. And then we'll have a nice profitable trade, 137 pips with a beautiful risk to reward ratio of 3-1 pretty much. If you guys want to like move your stops a little bit, you can. I would probably move it just like below this zone in case it wants to go again. Anything could happen. But at the end of the day, everyone should have closed profits. So ideally, 30 pips of losses on the line. But if you took off partials, you already closed about 70 pips of profit. So if it does go and hit your stop loss where our stops are at, you're still going to close with 40 pips of profit, which is not bad. And I want you guys to just focus on the long term. Let's focus on catching really high quality trades, building up our portfolio, growing and compounding it very nicely. There's no rush. We got all year. And yeah, I think one thing that I would focus on if I were you guys is simply just focus on getting a funded account, whether it's 50K, 100K, 200K. Realistically, like a little 10K account isn't going to do anything. I would not get an account under 50K if I were you guys. So price continues to deliver to the upside, it looks like. Take profit is inbound by about 60 pips, so we're more than halfway there. I'm going to delete the fibs. And then if you even want to get more serious, the markets are really mathematically derived. There's like certain levels that need to be hit. So it's like if you maybe took off 25% of partials there, then you can come up to this level right here and you can come and take off another 25%. Up to you, you're choosing. And then just let the rest ride from there. I just want you guys to get it through your head that account preservation is going to be very important this following year. Like we need to preserve our capital. We need to make sure we have positive equity at the end of each week, at the end of each month. Like we really need to just be extremely smart, cautious with the trades that we're taking. And one thing that we were missing this past year in 2023 is I wasn't developing myself into a better trader. I was kind of stagnant and fine with where I was as a trader because I did good the following years and I wasn't adapting to the market. So I got the adaptation on point, guys. We're going to be on point this whole year. I'm excited. It's going to be a really, really good year going into 2024. We're starting off really strong, getting some nice wins in. And guys, a lot of traders aren't even trading right now till the new year. So we'll just see how the markets are. But if the markets kind of get a little choppy or something over the next week or two before the new year, it's simply because that's what the markets do. So I am just going to do this. Let's go and set two alerts. No, 46, 10.2. We have our low for a take profit. Either way, whatever the outcome is, we're still profitable by taking off partials. All right, guys, we have our alert set for our take profit, stop loss. Prices are doing what we want. We can see that we had this high right here that's actually broken right here. So we should see price really just keep pushing up. No reason as to why it shouldn't. God, I love watching the markets. I really, really enjoy watching the markets and see price deliver to where we expect it to go to. It's an amazing skill to have, guys. Once you understand how these markets work, now you can just go from one zone, mark it up, and then it pushes away and goes away accordingly that you want. And I really haven't been doing my one-on-one mentorship for the past couple of months, but I'm thinking about opening it up in January. So look out for that. I'll probably put something in the chat, and it's not like 5K anymore. It's just 2,500 for it.
All right, guys. Everything's good. If it comes to the zone of 46.06, you can take off more partials.
Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.